My name is Isabelle Côté and I'd like to welcome you to Armoric Design. We've decided to show you around our company. It's through a series of video clips that you will see our facilities and discover the different stages in manufacturing our one-wheel trailers. We will also take the opportunity to introduce you to the characteristics of our trailers and give you some advice. This is where it starts. Let's go to the first workshop. Here we are in the room where all the steps of manufacturing glass fiber parts are carried out. The products used are toxic and corrosive, so for the health of our lungs and the environment, the room is very well ventilated and equipped with filters. We see here some of the molds used. Molds are the base of the finished product. That's why they need to be made with precision and perfectly maintained. A scratch, a residue of mold release wax, a large dust, all this can leave a scar on the molded part. We have to be very careful and we will spend up to 1 hour preparing the molds. Then, we put on a protective equipment which includes, among other things, a mask with vapor filters, and we will spray the gel coat. The gel coat is what you see when you are looking at a trailer in our showroom. The trailers have not been painted. Many people mistakenly believe this to be a painting because of the gloss finish. The secret to this gloss lies in the preparation of the mold. We use the color black because it's the color most often seen on motorcycles. If you want the color of the trailer to match with your motorcycle, we can manage that for you with our car bodybuilder partner. It takes 30 to 45 minutes to complete the gel coat application. You may have said to yourself when you saw the molds, "Wow, the color is intense!" Yes, it's an intense color. But we need the color to be very different from the gel coat color to see if we have applied it everywhere and in sufficient quantity. Then we have to let it dry, so if it hasn't already been done, we will go on and cut the fiberglass fabric.